Good morning, everyone. So I'm back in Kelowna, British Columbia. I'm here to do some professional trainings and also here to do a lecture on the 28th. Everybody is welcome to come. It is actually a lecture I'll be doing downtown Kelowna on Bernard Street at the Royal Anne Hotel, and it will be starting about 6 o'clock. It's a meet and greet. And then 7 o'clock, I'll be doing a lecture on reverse the irreversible. I'm going to prove that 95 to 98% of all surgery is actually not needed, not warranted, that actually the body will heal itself. And we forgot about that. The medical system and its appetite in wanting to be the healthcare of the future will not be the healthcare of the future. The future will depend on you. Your healthcare will depend on you. It's called self-care, not healthcare. It's called self-love, not just love. Okay? Look at this. Let me see if I can catch these guys. When I lived in Kelowna, we lived on a mountain, see the deer? I'm going to go follow them, see where they're going, even though I'm on somebody's property. Hopefully I don't get my butt kicked. But today what I want to talk about is scientific prayer, okay? Scientific prayer is faith unshaken. That means that whatever you decide you want, you need to lock into that vibration, okay? You need to lock into that vibration and you cannot waver. You cannot waver. So you know the most important things in your life, whether it's a healing or you want to create something that's unbelievable in your life and you really do want this so badly, it's your passion, it's your purpose, you need to keep your mouth shut. Minding your own business will be the biggest thing that you ever do. Do not share your most valuable dreams and your passion with anyone. Look at this, see, little boy. Here we go. There we go. Anyways, I wanted to show you the deer. And I'm staying at a really beautiful place here on the water, down on the Okanagan Lake. And this morning I got up and the sun looked like a big ball of fire. Because actually, if you take a look, it's very smoky out, okay? And because there's a lot of fires going on in British Columbia and also Alberta. I was just taking a video of the deer. Thank you. Yeah. Anyways, so it's a really beautiful day. I'm in my shorts. It's a little cool. Kelowna is a really beautiful place, but it is a target. It was the first 5G city. Here's where I'm staying right here. Look at that place over here. I'm going to take a walk and show you. The water comes right in where you could bring your boat right in here. A lot of these houses are right on the lake. The Okanagan Lake is 75 miles long, okay? There are places in the Okanagan Lake that are 365 feet deep, okay? 365 feet deep. They have what they call Ogopogo, you know, which is the Loch Ness Monster for Canada, but it's not. It's actually a sturgeon, okay? Because we have sturgeons in here that are 12 feet, they say 15 feet long, okay? All right, so here is, you see, where you can come in. Look at this. And then people live here, like there's a house there. Isn't that cool? How you can just live here and then pull your boat right up to your house? Yeah. I love the water. So we're doing this world tour. I'll be in Kelowna. I'll be doing the lecture on the 28th if you'd like to come. And if you don't, I'll be coming up on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. And I'll be doing reverse the irreversible. I just want you to know something. You are a genius. God gave you a body that will heal from anything. You heard what I said. Faith is the thing. Think about all the things in your life. And when you held, okay, faith, like real faith, like you cemented it in. It was like rebar in cement. Nobody could move it. Nobody could budge it. Your family couldn't turn you away from it. You found your passion, you found your purpose. And a lot of that times, it's not just what you want to do with your life, it's you trying to heal. And understand something, most of the world is playing victim, okay? And you know what? If you want to go to a medical doctor, go ahead. For emergency care, nobody does it better. But if you want to get healed, okay, then you better go inside yourself. You better tap into that God spot. You better get your brain working for you, and that would be your subconscious. Your conscious mind is only 10% of your brain, and that would be the captain of the ship. So all new ideas will come from your conscious mind, and then you will plant that like a seed. So I don't care what so-called incurable disease you have, and the only reason why they call it incurable is they haven't come up with a drug, or they haven't had the arrogance to say that they could cure you. And you can't, nobody can cure you. You can only cure yourself, and you will never cure yourself or stay healed unless you hold the faith. Now, I did not say religion. I said hold the faith. The faith is that you are, okay, 100% dedicated to this belief that you deserve it. And guess what? In life, you don't get what you want. You get what you demand. And the only way that you can demand things is to put yourself behind it 100% and put that in. And don't be telling people what your greatest desires are. Speak to your creator. Speak inside yourself. This bird has been following me. I am not making this up. You want to see me? I'm going to go for a walk. You can hear him. See him right there? Now watch. I'm going to go for a walk, and he flies around my head. Watch this. I'm going to go. Watch this. Here, see? Here he comes. He just moved again. Look at this. Now onto this branch. Hi. I'm not kidding. This bird is following me. Okay? And it's not a bad thing. Watch this. Watch this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at, there he is right there. See him? Look at that. I move. He follows me. He's been following me the whole time I came out. Ready? Watch this. Just minding my own business. Okay, here he is. Move to this tree. I'm not kidding. Take a look at this. All right, I'm going to tell you something. I love my life. I love myself. I'm going to mind my own business. You know, I did a post today, and it said this, guess what? Okay? It said, we are a cult, because people say that, oh my God, Dr. Wolf's a cult. Yeah, we are a cult, all right. We teach people how to brainwash themselves so they can find their authentic self. That's about as far as that goes. All right, I'm going to tell you something. Until people come up against your values, you probably aren't living for yourself, okay? Let's see if he comes anymore. No, I guess he's going to stay behind. Anyways, I want to tell you this again, all right? Scientific prayer is faith, all right? It's faith. Faith in yourself and knowing that you deserve whatever it is that you are going for, all right? You need to understand this. Do not let anyone, no government agency, no natural health care, no medical health care, you don't let anybody tell you what your time limit is on this planet and what your condition is and where you're going. You are the one, okay, that needs to decide your present and your future, and that's it, okay? So understand that. You need to learn to stand in your power, and that is self-love. That is self-care. And remember something, we were created by God Almighty, and we should act like it, okay? And that is unconditional love for ourselves and minding our own business. And if you have a disease, which just means you're not at ease, which means you're out of alignment, okay? Which means that, guess what? You bought into their BS. You're living with guilt. I failed. No, you didn't fail. Let me tell you something. When you fall from now on, you fall forward, you get up, you dust yourself off, and you hold on to your passion, your purpose, your dreams. I was talking to one of my master practitioners, and her family are a bunch of terrorists, okay? They're continually at her, demanding from her, okay? And understand something. That's only because they have anxiety and they're not enough for themselves, so they got to go to everybody else. I hope you're getting this, okay? Self-love, self-care, okay? Scientific prayer, and that's where you put what you want into your conscious mind. You plant it like a seed. You water it every day until it goes into your subconscious and it becomes a prominent, dominant belief. And just understand something. You deserve whatever you want. And if you are living by do no harm, you can have whatever you want on this planet. There are no limitations. All right? Please do not act like the herd. Do not act like the majority. Break away from the herd and understand this. It's your life. Okay? And you learn to love yourself and forgive yourself to the point that you never have to forgive yourself again, because guess what? You've always tried to do your best. I don't care if it's a religion, mommy or daddy, or a government agency, or anyone that told you that you did wrong. It's because guess what? They're going to tell you you're selfish when you're trying to live your own life, because they want you to live their life. If you haven't noticed it, this is a slave planet. And if you haven't noticed it, this is a slave planet. And I'm no slave to anybody. And that's that, okay? And I never will be. And do I let my voice be known? This is who I am. And guess what? I need everyone to understand that they can't feed off of me. That systems aren't going to feed off of me. People aren't going to feed off of me, okay? And understand this. When your beliefs don't match other people's, you know what they're going to do? Even the ones that love you, they're going to knock the legs from under you, and they don't mean to, except that, guess what? They feel threatened. So listen, the things that matter the most, keep it quiet, keep it in your heart, and talk to source, creator, whatever you call it, and connect yourself. Remember something, when you get excited and when it's something that you so want and it's like your destiny, you lock into that vibration and you see what it feels like so that you can click into that on a continual basis. You hold that, and whatever you want, it's going to come to you. It's going to come to you. I'm going to get everything that I want, and it will be not stealing, not lying, not cheating. I will get everything I want. And what do I want? Well, I want inner peace. I have that already. I'm not fearful of anything. Understand that, and I'm not. I am eternal. I was created by God Almighty, my God, my belief. Everybody's different. And understand this, just know that that which created the whole universe loves you. And this is planet Earth, a life-threatening, fun-filled adventure, all right? Understand this, if you're going to live authentic, understand you are going to rock the boat. You are going to stir things up. If you want to fit into the majority, then guess what? You will not stand out, and you will not be outstanding. Because to be outstanding means you have to stand out and stand up for yourself. Give that a shot today. Connect to your Lionheart breath. Get your Love Band Life Band on. Do your mirror work. And understand this. Be your greatest cheerleader. All right? And do not ask anybody's opinion, okay, that hasn't done what you want to do already. You think about that one today. All right? Have a beautiful day, Braveheart.